rather be alone, asleep, not weary for a break tonight. Don't be a ghost, don't hurry for the lights, a canopy of lies that keeps you from me. We could start a fire and watch it grow. We could bury our shoes and wait for rain till the summer takes us home.